Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSpectrum. And in this short tech guide, I'm going to be telling you about Cosmic Byte's warranty claim procedure. I just had a full warranty claim cycle regarding my Cosmic Byte Stellaris. More on that in future videos. So let's start. So first, you have to start by giving them bunch of emails and phone. For me, I had to do a 18 to 20 emails back and forth between them to finally get the response properly, and 3 phone calls on top of this. Then they send you an email which looks like this, like what you can see on your screen right now. So in this, you get this email 3 to 4 times total for say one per day. And once you fill up the form which needs you to give your email address, phone number, name, house, and pickup address, etc. Once you fill all that details, it will stop emailing you for that. You'll get an SMS from an email from the courier company, usually Blue Dart or Shiprocket. They will tell you when the pickup is scheduled for, but usually within the next day they come and pick up your order. You have to also package your order and also make a video like this one, as you can see. And once you're done with making the video, you don't have to send it to them. You just have to keep it with yourselves in case they by the time it gets to their place through various transport methods, if it arrives defective, or if they break it and send it back to you in a defective way, this video would serve as proof that you didn't damage the product. So now that you have confirmed that that your controller has been packaged and the video proof has been taken, you have to just wait for the person to come pick it up, and then it goes around. It takes around 10 to 15 days from my location for it to get to the Pune repair hub. And there it took around another 5 days for them to get to the product and diagnose it. For me, they just updated the firmware and said they have no issues. Hopefully, it stays that way because I'm yet to test it. And then after 2 to 3 days, they send it back via the same methods. They give you the airwave bills for tracking details and stuff. The same website. There's a track.cosmicbyte.com or similar website which gives you tracking details for your ticket number. From that, it will give you live updates from what's going on in the warehouse to where the product is through the shipping company. It's a pretty efficient and streamlined process. And once they are diagnosing the issue, they make a video from when they unbox their product to when they pack it back up. And the entire diagnosis process, everything is on video. You can see some clips of the video now.
ऑटोमेटिक ऑफ होती है उसका, यहाँ पे हम आपको चेक करके भी दिखाएंगे। ये आपके प्रोडक्ट का सीरियल नंबर है, कंट्रोलर कनेक्ट करते हैं यहाँ पे। यहाँ पे टू एक यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ऑन है, इसे हम ऑफ करेंगे अभी। ऑफ हो चुका है। यहाँ पे आपको सिंपल बस यहाँ पे ऑफ करना है। ओके, अभी इसको प्लग आउट करेंगे, वापस से प्लग इन करेंगे, RGB ऑन। यहाँ पे ऑफ पे रख दो। अपडेट कर लेंगे, पहले अपडेट हो रहा है।
So well, that was pretty much it. This now you'll be able to see my product which I unbox after receiving it. It comes in this cardboard box of Cosmic Byte, which includes the main box with which I sent it in. So that's pretty much it. I find their warranty procedure pretty streamlined and effective. Now, just hoping that the controller itself is fine and the that I was facing regarding the RGB will not happen again. Thanks for watching this short tech guide by TechSpectrum. If you like this tech guide, please like and subscribe to my channel to help it grow.